Alright, so this is the Juggernog fridge that we got from the Juggernog edition. This is what it does when you turn it on. Sounds pretty good. Sounds even better when you open it up. And you kind of see on the side there, it's got this dent in it. That's our Juggernog fridge. Thank you.